Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma. Today in this video we'll be seeing how to make Dudiya Ukkeri or Konkani style pumpkin stir fry. Firstly, to begin with, cut your pumpkin into smaller pieces. Next, remove the skin and de-seed it. Now chop them further into medium-sized cubes. Next, in a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And to this, add half a teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of jeera, and 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds. Once the tempering is prepared, add the chopped pumpkin into it. Next, add about 1/4 cup of water. Now add about half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Mix everything well and close with a lid and cook in low to medium flame for about 15 minutes. Keep stirring it occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Once your pumpkin is cooked well, add about 1/4 cup of grated coconut into it. Now mix everything well and your delicious pumpkin ukkeri is ready. This can be had as a side dish along with rice, chapati or roti. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are few more videos on our screen. Do click and enjoy them as well, and do not forget to subscribe.